Welcome to the Pokemon Trivia Quiz presented by the White Center Teen Program. This quiz will be 10 questions with 4 different difficulty levels. A question will be shown on screen with 4 options below. You've got 15 seconds to answer, and questions will be read out loud before the timer begins. Remember to not cheat and keep track of how many you get right to score yourself at the end. Let's start with some easier questions to get into the swing of things. How many different types are there in Pokemon? The correct answer is B, 18. Originally, there were only 15 types. Steel and Dark were added in the 2nd generation, and Fairy type was introduced in the 6th. How many forms does the Pokemon Unknown have? The answer is C, 28. Unknown has 28 forms, 1 for each letter of the alphabet, plus 2 for an exclamation point and a question mark. Only one Pokemon type is immune to Ghost-type attacks. Which is it? The answer is A, Normal type. Ghost-type Pokemon are immune to Normal and Fighting-type attacks, but only Normal types are immune to Ghost. The questions are getting a little more difficult now. Every region in the Pokemon world is based on a real-life location. What place is the Unova region based on? The correct answer is B, New York City. The Unova region takes heavy inspiration from New York City metropolitan area, right down to the city's abundance of pigeons and famous subway system. When the Pokemon anime was being translated from Japanese, some script lines were changed. What does Brock call his favorite rice balls in the English version of the show? The correct answer is A, Jelly Donuts. Translators thought that American audiences wouldn't be able to relate to enjoying onigiri rice balls. Turns out the joke was on them. Everyone thought the change was ridiculous. Ninetales is a very powerful, magical Pokemon. What's rumored to happen when you pull on its tails? The correct answer is D, you'll be cursed for 1,000 years. Ninetales is based on mythical nine-tailed foxes called Kitsune. Kitsune are very protective of their tails, and Ninetales is the same. Now we're getting into the really tough questions. Are you ready? Which 2 Pokemon lines share the category designation Fish Pokemon? The correct answer is C, Feebas and Magikarp. While all of these Pokemon resemble fish, only Magikarp and Feebas are referred to as the fish Pokemon. One Pokemon's Pokédex entry mentions a real-life animal, an Indian elephant. Which Pokemon is it? The correct answer is D, Raichu. In Pokemon Fire Red version, Raichu's Pokédex entry reads that its electric charges can reach even 100,000 volts. Careless contact can cause even an Indian elephant to faint. Which of the following towns is in the Sinnoh region? correct answer is A, Floaroma Town. Ambret Town is located in Kalos, Undella Town is in Unova, and Oldale Town is in Hoenn. This is the last question. It's super hard. Which of these Pokemon does not have a difference in appearance based on gender? The correct answer is D, Goodra. Some Pokemon gender differences can be very subtle. Female Hypno have longer fur, female Octillery have smaller suction cups, and female Tangrowth have more pink on their fingers. So, how'd you do? Check your score against the scoring chart here and see what your title is. Thanks so much for playing! Make sure to check out the rest of the videos on this channel for more Pokemon content. We'll see you at the log cabin!